Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a do-it-yourself hair mask. I just came back from Florida and being in that pool all week has dried out my hair. Oh my gosh. Alrighty you guys, let's get started. So here goes our lineup of ingredients you're going to need for this hair mask. We are going to start off with 2 avocados. You want to use an avocado that's good, but one you probably won't eat. Avocados are a rich source of proteins, amino acids, and vitamins, which rejuvenates and moisturizes the scalp. So that soothes the scalp, which helps promote strong, long, healthy hair growth. A little tip on getting the whole avocado out of the shell is using a spoon. I promise you'll love it. It works miracles. Alrighty, next we're going to move on to bananas. So bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which softens the hair and protects the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. Alright, so we're going to go on to coconut water, which if you have aloe water, you're more than welcome to use that as well. Coconut water is a deep moisturizer. It hydrates dry scalp to effectively treat dandruff, and I usually put about half in there. Alright, so we're going to use raw honey. If you do not have raw honey, you can use regular honey. I just feel like you get the best benefits from raw honey. So onto the go-to. Apple cider vinegar is amazing for everything. It's a lot of benefits, so I'll just list them above. Now you're going to add your essential oils. These are my go-tos. I love black Jamaican castor oil. I love it. I love it. And then I added this Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter oil. Now blend like crazy. I usually like it to be like a smooth consistency. I shake it and then I look at it, and this one was looking a little too chunky, too thick for me. So I just added some more bananas and coconut water, and it was so buttery. It was perfect. I just love the consistency. You see that? Look at that. It looked like whipped shea moist. I don't know, man. It was great. Now we're going to strain our deep conditioner, making sure we don't have any chunks in it. I couldn't find my strainer, so I had to do it the ratchet way. I had to make it work. But in the perfect world, you will use a rice strainer. So before applying, we're going to wet our hair. Okay, so now we're going to part our hair. Usually I like to do it in 4 sections, but I ran out of scrunchies and couldn't find my clips. So I'm just doing it in 2 parts. Now on to the fun and messy part. So now we're going to apply our deep conditioner. Do you see that consistency, hunty? Do you see it? Okay, I just making sure. Applying, you want to be very thorough. Go straight to your scalp, do your roots, then your ends. Make sure you drown your hair in this deep conditioner. The more the better. While applying, you really want to make sure you rub it into your scalp so that way your scalp could get all the benefits from this mask. And it also helps get your blood flow going, which also helps with hair growth. So a new method I've been using is saran wrapping my hair. The more compact your hair is while deep conditioning, the more heat it will generate, creating more moisture for your hair to better absorb. So I just feel like it opens my cuticles a bit, giving my hair all the benefits from this mask. Alright you guys, so I just got the shower and look at my curls. They are rejuvenated. Like, I haven't even put conditioner in them yet. Oh, I still got a little avocado up in that thing. I don't have to go in it again. Good thing I didn't put conditioner in it yet, but look at that. Hey. My curls are popping again. I promise. When you just need a little bounce back, bounce back. do this hair mask and your hair will be moisturized all over again. Your curls will come back to life, because I was worried, like in the front right here, still a little frizzy, but other than that, my hair's not even all that frizzy or anything. Like, curls are flaky. So if you like this do-it-yourself hair mask, definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely press that subscribe button so you never miss a Slay with Zay, and press that bell button so you are always notified for whenever I drop a new video, okay? Because I'm a little inconsistent right now, but I'm gonna get to it. Comment down below if you want me to do more videos like this. I miss doing my hair, my natural hair videos. I've been kind of slacking, so please let me know, because you letting me know keeps me on point with keeping my hair healthy. So thanks. And of course, always I dry it with a towel. I just wrap my hair in a towel and bring it back down. Look at this, girls. Look at them curls, girl. Yeah, love you guys. Bye.